Now the problem with choice is that choice in abundance can become option paralysis, where we're kind of like, oh, well, there's so many things I could do, I don't know where to start. And when it comes to building vocabulary, one of the problems with that is that we don't know which patterns to start with, which exercises to start with, which piece of musical knowledge should I acquire first. And again, here on Musical U, we have this rather lovely process of reducing things down to bite-sized chunks. And so what we're going to start with is a 3-note improvisation. Now, the first thing we can do with those 3 notes is to look at all the different orders that we can play them in if we're playing them one after the other. So we can play 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 2. For us as bass players, one of the big things here is that all of these lines change again when we allow the bass note to change. So if I'm doing this over a C, it sounds very different than if I do it over an F.